Sure, here's a 700-word YouTube script about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz, tailored for a natural, engaging tone without a heading. You can read this with visuals of the car, driving shots, and interior-exterior features. Alright, let's talk about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz, because if you're someone who loves luxury, tech, and performance in one sleek package, this is a car you'll want to know about. Mercedes has been in the game for a long time, but the 2025 lineup feels like a leap into the future. Whether you're looking at the C-Class, E-Class, or the flagship S-Class, or even diving into their all-electric EQ range, you can see Mercedes doubling down on innovation, design, and comfort. Let's start with design, because, let's be real, that's the first thing that catches your eye. The 2025 models feature sharper body lines, new grille designs, and updated lighting. It's elegant but aggressive, modern without losing that timeless Mercedes touch. The front ends are more aerodynamic, and some models even come with active grille shutters to improve airflow and boost efficiency. Step inside, and it's like stepping into a luxury lounge crossed with a spaceship. The new interior layouts are cleaner and more focused. The big highlight, the massive MBUX superscreen, available on many models. It stretches across the dashboard and merges the digital instrument cluster with a large infotainment screen and a passenger display. It's fast, intuitive, and looks stunning. Mercedes is leaning hard into tech this year. The MBUX system now includes AI-powered voice commands that actually work. You can say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," and it'll bump up the heat. It learns your preferences over time, so the more you drive, the smarter it gets. Navigation has also been upgraded with augmented reality overlays. Street names, directions, and even business signs are layered onto a live camera feed so you can navigate like a pro. And yeah, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you also get biometric authentication, fingerprint scanning to start the car, and even mood-based ambient lighting with hundreds of color options. Want to feel relaxed on a night drive? Just pick a theme and let the car set the vibe. Now let's talk performance. Mercedes hasn't forgotten its roots. The gas-powered models are still kicking, with turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder options, depending on the class. They're smooth, fast, and surprisingly efficient thanks to mild hybrid systems that boost performance and improve fuel economy. But the real buzz is around the EQ lineup, the all-electric models. The EQE and EQS continue to push boundaries, with ranges that top 300 miles and acceleration that will pin you to your seat. These EVs aren't just about speed, they're about refinement. Whisper quiet cabins, seamless torque delivery, and adaptive air suspensions that read the road in real time. It's like driving on a cloud, but a cloud that can do 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Safety-wise, Mercedes continues to lead. The 2025 models come standard with advanced driver assistance systems. Think lane keeping, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, all refined to be smoother and smarter. Some models even offer hands-free driving on certain highways, using cameras, radar, and lidar to navigate for you. It's not full autonomy, but it's getting real close. One underrated feature, the attention assist system. It literally monitors your behavior and warns you if you're getting drowsy. Combine that with massage seats and cabin fragrances, and you've got a car that's not just watching the road, it's watching you. And Mercedes didn't forget sustainability. Most models now use eco-conscious materials in the interior, like recycled plastics, vegan leather options, and even sustainable wood trims. So yeah, you can flex luxury and go green. Now of course, all this comes at a premium. But when you buy a Mercedes, you're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience. The 2025 models are a perfect example of that philosophy. Every button press, every light fade, every sound that the car makes, it's all carefully designed to feel special. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz worth it? If you value design, performance, cutting-edge tech, and that unmistakable feeling of driving something truly refined, then yeah, it's absolutely worth it. Whether you're cruising down the highway in an EQS or carving through corners in an AMG, there's just something about a Mercedes that hits different. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you go for the gas-powered lineup or jump into the electric future with the EQ series? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video. Let me know if you want this tailored to a specific model like the S-Class, EQS, or AMG series, or want a version with timestamps or callouts for B-roll footage.